Hey, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We picked up some items from a collection or two, from Allentown, from consignment, and we want to share. These are likely coming your direction towards February on auction with Mars. So enjoy the preview. Here's some more items coming up. Dent. Arcade. I gotta double check, but I think that might be our Fry Dog. Kenton Cairo. Chief. American 10. Kingsbury. Garage. Some of us recognize this from A.C. Williams. Great illustration. Great illustration. Most of these were thrown away. And then here's our take apart set. Interchangeable bodies. A little clip is what makes it interchangeable. Circus gauge. Waxy paper. This is the way they came from the factory, kiddos. Ooh, look at that condition. And you can just see in the edge it's going to be a red cage.